Hi everybody, it's Maria here from Creative Memories Home Office, and I'm here with my daughter Lila.
Hi, and welcome to the Kids Virtual Craft. Today we will be making photo frames.
That's right, we're going to be making photo frames today using the Everyday Photo Décor Kit. So let's get crafty.
Yeah! This is the Everyday Photo Décor Kit. There are instructions. There are some fun gems. There are some embellishments. There's some frames. There's some colorful papers for your card backgrounds and some blocks. It's time to make your frame. First, print off a photo, then pick out a pattern paper that you like, then pick out a frame that you like, and don't forget that this kit was made for 3, so don't use up all your embellishments. And the greetings are double-sided on the embellishments as well. So let's get to work. Figure out which embellishments you will be using, figure out which paper background you will be using, and figure out which frame you will be using. I chose the pink one because me and my sister are wearing pink. I picked the sun because I saw that the greeting said shine like the sun. And if you need some ideas, you can look through the instruction book. Let's make it. So first, take your frame, pick which side you will be using, take some tape. You could use some foam squares for this, or you could use some tape. Put some tape on the 4 corners of your frame. Then stick it on to your photo, making sure that no none of the photo you can see. So then put some tape or foam squares on the back of your photo. And then stick it on to your pattern paper. So then it's time to add the embellishments. So I'm going to tape this right here. Or you could either tape or put foam squares. Here. And then peel off the backing part of it. And then you stick wherever you want it. And remember, we're going to be putting your frame inside a block. So now you can do some stuff with the embellishments, whatever that came in the kit. So, and then you could start doing some stuff with the sticker and the stuff that you want to put on the card. And that's the card. I mean, the frame.